this is actually crazy. I'm not sure if it's sustainable, probably not realistic. It's crazy what I did this morning. I had 5 different meetings with 5 different people, all interested investing in Zip Capital. 5 different people. I had a meeting at the local coffee shop with a fractional CFO, and his clients are interested in possibly investing into Zip Capital. I had a second meeting at the same coffee shop right after with a local entrepreneur who is interested in investing into Zip Capital. And then I had a virtual Zoom meeting with a person who I know from a previous job. He and his wife met with me and we talked about Zip Capital. I think they liked what I had to say. Seems like they might be interested. Shortly after that, I had a one-on-one virtual meeting with a fellow veteran who was also in the Army. I was an infantry officer for 4 years. This is a fellow veteran, and he has a couple acquaintances or business partners who might be interested investing in Zip Capital. And then in the middle of all of that, I had somebody message me on Instagram. We actually went to the same high school. She graduated before me, but we both went to Boiling Springs. We're both bubblers. Shout out if anybody on here went to Boiling Springs or lives close to Boiling Springs. Cool little town. Definitely recommend checking it out. But we both went to high school, at the same high school, not together, not the same time. We both went to Boiling Springs, and she messaged me on Instagram. And in the middle of my other in-person virtual meetings, I called her on the phone, and she's a local, I think, mortgage loan officer. She is interested in investing into my real estate debt fund, Zip Capital. I'm offering 8% to 12% fixed returns. I think it's an amazing offer. Probably, I had an interesting question. One of the meetings, one of the guys said, "This sounds amazing. Why would anybody not want to do this?" And that's a fair question. That's actually a really good question. Truthfully, I think the only reason somebody would not want to do this is because I'm relatively new. I've been private money lending for 2.5 years, but I've only been running Zip Capital for 6 months. Relatively new as a fund manager, investment fund manager. That's probably the only reason, because it really is a great offer. 8% to 12% fixed returns, great alternative to bank CDs or money markets. But 5 meetings today, are you kidding me? That's insane. The cool thing is I love doing this. I get energized meeting with people, sharing my story, hearing how I can help them and their clients and their business. I love it. I get energized by it. It's a lot of fun. I'm excited to see what happens next.